This doesn't have pork, right? Excuse me. Hi. Sorry. This doesn't have pork, right? This doesn't have pork. No, it's veggie. It's veggie. Alright, thank you.
Thank you. Ito naman yung akin. What's that for you? Huh? You get more here. Najee bread. What do you have there? Najee, look at that. Get one done. You got that one? Pancake? Oh, kanina yan.
You want some pancake?
Ano yung kutsara, mahal? What do you get, spoon? Ito, meron pa dito yun. Wow! Mami, saan yung table? Saan table? Table?
Yung may menu.
It's here. Hindi ko alam eh. Saan mo kinuha? Next kami nga. Dito? Hindi ko alam sa'yo. Ayun o, may menu. Where did you put it?
This one.
This one? Ayun.
Alright, accepted.
Sige.
You want to warm your croissant?
Toasted bread.
You want to make them warm?
Toasted bread.
You want to toast bread or
Toasted bread and croissant. That's it. Marunong na anak ko ah. What food you make? Alright. Nice. Nice sa'yo. Pare-pareho tayo ah. More the same. Hindi ako nakakuha nito. Kukuha ako nito ha. Wait. Tingnan natin to. Sarap. Let's have the chum. Apa? Hop. Natin na cappuccino. Siya. Red. Asan na yung milk, mami? Mami yung milk. Milk. Nasaan yung milk? Asukal.
Hindi ka nag-latte?
Eto nga, lati nga to. Kasi asukal. Oh. Lati to. Nandun ba?
I don't know. Kadali.
Ito to. Ah. Sugar. Ah, dito na. Sugar tayo. Ito. Ito na oh, sugar.
You want? You want pancake syrup? You want
Alright.
pancake syrup?
Let's go. Let's
You want
eat.
pancake syrup?
Ah.
You want pancake syrup? Put it here. Put here your pancake.
Let's eat.
It's a pancake syrup.
Is that honey?
Huh?
Is that honey?
No, it's not honey.
Why is this soft?